How to fix TikTok streak not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, what you need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After checking on the connection, tap on the Play Store. Now just make sure you have an updated version of the TikTok application. So let's search for it. So as you search for it, here you can see the option of update. So which means we do have an update available. So you can just tap on update and start updating the application. Now, after updating the application, what you can simply do is you can just make a long press on TikTok application and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So tap on it. Now tap on the clear cache option and then tap on OK again. And that's it. Now you can just relaunch the TikTok application and you might be fixing your issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.